Welcome to the first episode of Making Trails. I see that the tray's getting a bit of attention on TikTok, so we thought we'd do a bit more of an in-depth video of where we started and where we're at now, so keep watching. So we've just finished up making our recess for the lights. As you can see here, we've capped the ends off so that we have a solid area for our lights to actually be mounted to. Now, once we're done, we will actually go through and put a cutout at the top there so our wiring harness can come through and we can wire it up. So we pulled it off the back of the tray so we can finish doing the welds. As you can see here, bit of a better one there, don't show them that, but once this is all finished up, we'll be able to take it back over to the tray, tack her on, and finish up the rear lights. So we get stuck back into it. Take a look at that. Featuring Mel's Pies, sponsoring tray build, Making Trails as well. Shout out to them guys. We'll just get straight into this. Bro, start the video.
I did.
Oh, I can't hear. No, you're not.